Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to show you the total 9 government colleges, that is national importance colleges. Opens the PhD admission notification for July 2021 guys, and a few colleges are announcing the fellowship. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admission in the government colleges. Okay, so I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so in the Still Outlook website, here we got this guys. 9 institutes of national importance open PhD admission with fellowships July 2021. So institutes of national importance means IITs and NITs, all these colleges will come. So here it will be the wonderful opportunity guys. So here you may check down the list of institutes. Okay, so 9 national importance have opened the PhD admission, and these includes the 2 IITs, 4 NITs, 2 IIIT TDMs and 1 IISCR opened the PhD admission window for the July 2021. And the candidates who are taking the regular PhD scholars will be eligible for the research assistantship. Okay, and the list of the colleges here you may check down. IIT Goa, the last date is 15th June, and IIT Dharwad, the 10th June is the last date, and IIIT DM Kanchipuram, 17th June, IISCR Thiruvananthapuram, 26th June, and IIIT DM Kurnool, 21st June, and NIT Jamshedpur, 21st June, and NIT Andhra Pradesh, 10th June, NIT Nagaland, 1st July, and NIT Surat, 4th July. So out of these colleges, that means out of these 9 colleges, for few colleges already I did the separate videos in my YouTube channel guys. So you may please find out that one, or else here at a glance you will get the information regarding this one. So coming to the first one, IIIT TDM Kanchipuram. So it is announcing the PhD. The scholars admitted to the PhD program under the regular, that means a full-time PhD, they are eligible for the half-time research assistantship or else the half-time teaching assistantship. Okay. And due to the COVID situation, the Kanchipuram is conducting the test or interview through online. The last date for registering is the 17th June 2021. And IISCR Thiruvananthapuram is also announcing for the schools of biological, chemical, mathematical, physical sciences for the session starting from August 2021. And due to the COVID-19 situation, it is also conducting the online interview for both the PhD as well as the integrated PhD programs. Okay. And the last date to apply this one is 21st June 2021. And coming to the IIIT DM Kurnool, so it is also providing the half-time research fellowship or else the teaching fellowship it is providing in the departments of computer science, electronics and communication, mechanical engineering, and maths, physics and chemistry. Okay, and the last date is 21st June 2021. Coming to the NIT Jamshedpur, so it is announcing the total 69 PhD seats are there with fellowship. Okay, with fellowship total 69 seats are there. So you may check down for details in this official website, and the last date is 21st June 2021. And coming to the NIT Andhra Pradesh, Tadepalligudem from West Godavari. So for both full-time and part-time, the PhD programs are available, and it is also giving the HTRA fellowships to the full-time scholars. Okay, and the 10th June 2021 is the last date. Coming to the NIT Nagaland, so here the institute fellowship is available to the full-time research scholars, and the closing date is 1st July 2021. And while coming to the NIT Surat, so it is also announcing the PhD notification. So institute fellowship will be available to the full-time PhD scholars, and the closing date is 4th June 2021. So here due to the COVID situation, it is also conducting the online written test as well as online interviews. So online written test is on 28th June and the online interview is on 29th June. And coming to the IIT Dharwad, so it is providing the full-time research scholarship or else the teaching assistantship and part-time externally sponsored research scholars. So teaching assistantship means I think approximately per week 8 hours you have to work. Okay, and it is also conducting the online interview guys, and the closing date of online application is 10th June 2021. Fine. And coming to the last one is IIT Goa. So it is providing the financial support to the PhD candidates, and the closing date is 15th June 2021. So it is also providing the full-time research scholarship or else a teaching assistantship. Okay, and the scheduling for the interview will be informed to the shortlisted candidates. Okay, so here the lot of colleges are conducting the online written test or else the online interview, and it is providing the full-time research fellowship as well as teaching assistantship is also there. And these are all the national importance college guys. So if you got the PhD in these colleges, then it will be the wonderful opportunity to you. So please utilize this one. And overall, out of all these 9 colleges, approximately you may get 500 plus vacant seats will be there. Okay, so utilize the opportunity guys, don't miss this one. Okay, and anyhow, you need not to go to the college physically for attending the written test or else for attending the interview. So few out of this one, few colleges are conducting the online written test and the online interview. So utilize this opportunity guys. Okay, and I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down guys the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.